I just made a video on this fan, but I did it in the wrong resolution. I did it in 240p instead of 640p or whatever, 720p. I'm not sure what it is, but made by the Burns Air King Corporation out of Chicago, Illinois. 2-speed, category number PL20. 2.7 amps, 115 volts, 16 CY AC only. Cleaned off the motor yesterday. I think the blades are off balance. I think it's a 1970's fan. I'm not sure, but I want you to listen on high. That's not good for the microphone, but that's high. I'm going to show you how much it really shakes on low. This thing shakes like a dog that just got out of a rainstorm. It really. And just to show you that there are no other people in this garage that will be shaking anything. It is a natural shake. Home alone, just got back from graduation rehearsal. It's Friday. Yeah, it's like 1 o'clock. I usually get out at 2, but they let us leave early because we're seniors. So here's a little. She really shakes. Anybody has any other information concerning this fan? Please let me know. Have a nice day, everybody. It's Friday.